Riding a motorcycle is thrilling, but beginner mistakes can burn through your wallet fast. Imagine dropping your brand new bike or facing a huge repair bill in your first year. It happens more often than you think. Today, we're diving into 9 costly mistakes new riders make and how to avoid them. Pay close attention because avoiding these errors could save you thousands of dollars. Mistake 1. Buying too much bike too soon. Many first-timers get lured by high-powered bikes or bargain wrecks, only to regret it. Choosing a super sport or heavy cruiser as your first ride can be a recipe for disaster. Beginners who hop on a rocket ship without the skills often end up dropping the bike or crashing, resulting in expensive damage. A 250cc to 500cc motorcycle is usually ideal for learning. It's forgiving and far cheaper to fix if it tips over. Likewise, beware of salvage title deals that seem too good to be true. Seasoned riders admit that rebuilding a wrecked bike often costs more than buying one that's ready to ride. Start with a manageable bike, and you'll save money on repairs while building confidence safely. Mistake 2. Skipping proper safety gear. New riders sometimes skimp on gear, thinking it's an optional expense. That attitude can cost you a fortune in medical bills. One rider confessed that a 30 mep slide in just jeans and a hoodie turned his skin into a hamburger, a painful lesson. Quality helmets, jackets, gloves, pants, and boots might seem pricey, but they're far cheaper than hospital visits and skin grafts. As the saying goes, if you have a $10 head, wear a $10 helmet. All the gear, all the time isn't just a slogan. It's protection that prevents you from needing costly recovery. Investing in good gear now can literally save your hide later. Remember, protective gear may appear costly, but it's far better to pay for gear than to pay for medical bills and suffer immense pain. Mistake 3. Ignoring basic maintenance. Ride and forget is a dangerous mindset. Motorcycles need more TLC than cars, and neglecting upkeep leads to expensive problems. Take the drive chain, for example. If you never clean or lube it, it can rust or snap. One beginner admitted their chain snapped mid-ride because they never maintained it, nearly causing a wreck. A snapped chain or a seized engine from never changing the oil can set you back thousands in repairs. Likewise, riding on bald tires or worn brake pads is asking for trouble. Not only do worn components make accidents more likely, but fixing the damage after a crash will drain your bank account. The fix is simple. Spend a few minutes on regular checks and servicing. Keep the chain lubricated, change your oil on schedule, and replace tires and pads before they're dangerously worn. A little maintenance effort can prevent massive repair bills. Mistake 4. Overconfidence and riding beyond your skill. After a few months on the road, some newbies feel invincible, and that's when expensive mistakes happen. Overconfidence can lead to riding too fast, taking corners too hard, or weaving recklessly through traffic. The reality is that a rider with half a season of experience might think they're a 910 in skill, when they're really closer to a 310. Pushing past your limits often ends in a crash. Even a low-speed slide can shatter fairings, bend forks, or crack engine covers, repairs that easily cost thousands on a modern bike. Experienced riders confess that humility would have saved them both injuries and money. Ride within your limits and treat every outing as a learning experience. It's cheaper to build skill gradually than to replace wrecked bike parts because you tried to show off. In traffic, assume you're invisible and give yourself plenty of space. Defensive riding prevents pricey accidents. Stay humble. It's always cheaper than overestimating your abilities. Mistake 5. Skipping training and practice. Riding looks easy on YouTube, but without training, beginners develop bad habits that can cost them dearly. Some new riders forego motorcycle safety courses or even basic parking lot practice, only to later realize they never truly mastered clutch control or emergency braking. Lack of training often shows the first time something unexpected happens, like a car pulling out or a decreasing radius turn, and an untrained rider may freeze or overreact, resulting in a crash. Even a minor accident can lead to big repair bills and higher insurance premiums. Proper training might cost a couple of $100s up front, but it can save you thousands by helping you avoid wrecks entirely. You'll learn critical skills like counter steering and quick stops in a controlled environment, rather than learning the hard way on the street. Make practice a habit. Spend time in an empty lot refining your braking and slow-speed maneuvers. The more skills you bank, the less likely you'll be to make a costly error on the road. Mistake 6. Dropping the bike due to inexperience. Every new rider fears that embarrassing tip-over at a stop or in the driveway. Beyond the bruised ego, dropping your bike can hit your wallet hard. Broken levers, cracked mirrors, dented tanks, and scratched fairings are common results of low-speed or stationary drops. Replacing OEM parts or repainting bodywork isn't cheap. A single driveway drop can easily run you hundreds of dollars. Beginners often drop their motorcycles because they haven't mastered the bike's weight and balance yet. Maybe you forgot to put the kickstand down fully, or you tried to U-turn and lost balance. It's a costly lesson. To avoid it, practice the fundamentals of handling your bike at slow speeds. Get comfortable with how your motorcycle leans, and always double-check that your stand is down before walking away. Consider adding frame sliders or crash bars. These relatively inexpensive add-ons can save costly parts from hitting the ground. A little preparation and practice can prevent a very expensive oops. Mistake 7. Cheaping out on parts or gear. Motorcycling can be expensive, so it's tempting to cut corners with cheap gear or parts. But going cheap often backfires. For instance, off-brand brake pads or bargain tires might save money now, but they can wear out faster or perform poorly, potentially leading to a crash or costly early replacement. In protective gear, a no-name helmet or jacket that falls apart in a crash will make you wish you'd invested in quality. In fact, some counterfeit helmets have shattered on impact. Don't become a cautionary tale. Use reputable gear and parts that meet safety standards. Spending a bit more upfront is an investment in avoiding the huge costs of equipment failure or accidents caused by inferior gear. Mistake 8. Not knowing what to do after an accident. Even a small crash can become a big financial mess if you handle it wrong. Many beginners panic after an accident. Some just ride off without documenting anything, or they inadvertently admit fault or sign papers they shouldn't. These missteps can cost you thousands in lost claims or legal trouble later. The aftermath of a crash is chaotic, so have a plan. Always call the police and get an official report. Never just shake hands and leave. Take photos of the scene and exchange information with other parties. And never sign anything or agree to pay on the spot if you don't fully understand it. Also, make sure you have adequate insurance before an accident ever happens. Skimping on coverage can hurt you badly when it's time to pay for repairs or medical bills. A clear head and proper steps after a crash will save you from a second financial hit. Mistake 9. Leaving your bike unsecured. Finally, don't overlook motorcycle security. You might assume your bike is safe wherever you park it, only to return and find it gone. Motorcycle theft is a serious threat in 2022 alone. Over 54,000 bikes were reported stolen in the US. Having your ride stolen is financially devastating if you're not prepared. New riders often fail to invest in basic security. They leave the steering unlocked, skip the disc lock or alarm, or park in dark, hidden spots. The result can be losing your entire bike. To avoid this, always lock your ignition and remove the key, and use a quality disc lock or chain when parked. If possible, park in well-lit, busy areas or garage thieves who hate attention. If you have a garage at home, use it. Garage-kept motorcycles are stolen far less often than those left outside. Spending a bit on anti-theft measures is nothing compared to the cost of losing your bike forever.